Okay, right. I start here with a sign of the CT160 and I will walk around the machine and we will see how it looks. So I back off. This is the electrical cabinets, the two theirs and two theirs. And this is the back, as I said. There is the engine, spindle engine, hydraulics, and the magazine, tool magazine, as you can see. This is the machine, as you can see it in front. There's a shelter there and a pull over. Control panel. But there's also this thing and a little computer for that. The table size, of course, for the CT160 is 160. There's a small ship conveyor there. We go around the shelter here. There's a ship conveyor. Here we have the spindle engine from the other side. Big one. And the electrical cabinet is here. I don't know if I can open it. Let's try. Oh yes. That's electrical cabinet. There's been a fire. We checked it, and it's okay. It's no problem now. But there's been a fire there, so you can see. And now we have the back of the tool magazine there, and the hydraulics and electrical cabinets. That's it.